Outside leg, kiss.
Good job.
Nice.
Perfect. I'll give you an A+.
Little jiggle. Without lifting your hand. Do the jiggle down low.
Can I just down my legs are sore?
No, one more time. I'm videotaping.
You're doing a great job.
One more time. I want to make sure you got this down.
He's too long. That's why it broke on.
Okay, outside leg.
Real slow smooch. There.
Oop.
Do it again.
Now you used your inside leg too.
Inside foot away.
Yep, she does that. Uses her kicks with both. Yep, he gets confused. There you go. Awesome, Loretta.
You're thugging. I'm telling you.
Scratch his neck to turn.
Soft, yeah, soft little foot bump back. That's not good. Very good. Very nice. Walking. Walking.
Yep, you can walk.